Okay, magandang araw sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa grade 7 students. No, I know natapos na kayo sa lesson nyo about operation on integers. But siguro baka meron pang mga estudyante na medyo nahihirapan pa sa pag-add ng integers. So, I'm here to give you a bit help para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan kung paano mag-add ng integers. Okay, sa pag-add ng integers, we will follow two rules. So, number one rule, like sign, and number two is unlike signs. Okay, let us first discuss what is like sign. So, like sign, it's either positive plus positive or negative plus negative. Okay, so kapag ganun ang nangyari, so kapag parehas sila ng sign, ang gagawin lang natin, i-add natin ng integers and then kukunin natin kung ano yung sign ng dalawang integers na in-add, yun na magiging sign ng answer. Okay, let's have an example. 2 plus 4. Okay, so parehas silang positive. So ipag-add natin yung dalawang integers. So 2 plus 4, the answer is 6. Okay, so parehas silang positive, kaya ang answer ay positive 6. Okay, another example, negative 3 plus negative 2. Okay, so they are like sign. Okay, like sign kasi parehas silang negative. So ang gagawin kapag parehas na negative, i-add natin ng integers. 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. Anong sign ng dalawang pinag-add mo? Ano yung sign nila? Di ba parehas silang negative, kaya ang answer mo ay negative. Okay? Example number 3, negative 7 plus negative 1. So, like sign sila kasi para silang negative. Okay? So again, ipag-add ulit natin. 7 plus 1, the answer is 8. Anong sign ng dalawang integers? Di ba? Negative sila parehas, kaya ang answer ay negative 8. Okay? Last example for this. Okay? Negative 5 plus negative 5. So parehas silang negative. Kaya again, ipag-add ulit natin sila. 5 plus 5 is 10. So parehas silang negative, kaya ang answer natin ay negative. Okay, so that is like sign. Okay, rule number 2, unlike sign. So it's either positive plus negative or negative plus positive. So kapag ganito ang case, ano daw ang gagawin natin? So ang dapat gawin, subtract ang integers and then copy the sign of the integer with higher absolute value para sa sign ng answer natin. Okay? Let's have an example. 7 plus negative 2. Okay, so unlike sign sila kasi yung 7 ay positive, yung 2 ay negative. So anong gagawin daw natin? We will subtract. So 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. Okay, so then sabi, copy the sign of the integer with higher absolute value. So alin ba ang higher dyan na absolute value? Alin sa dalawa? 2 and 7. So ang mas mataas ay 7. Ano ang sign ng 7? Positive, kaya ang answer ay positive 5. Okay? Example number 2, negative 5 plus 4. So unlike sign sila kasi negative 5 and positive 4. So anong gagawin ulit kapag unlike sign, di ba, isusubtract natin. So, 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. Okay, then, ano ang sign ng integer with higher absolute value? Alin dyan ang higher absolute value? Di ba, 5. So, anong sign ng 5? Negative. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative 1. Okay, next, number 3, 7 plus negative 6. So, unlike sign kasi positive 7 and negative 6. So, again, we will subtract. 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. Okay, so ano ang sign ng integer with higher absolute value? Alin ang higher, 7 or 6? So ang higher ay 7. Ano ang sign ng 7? Positive, kaya ang answer natin ay positive 1. Okay, last example, negative 6 plus 3. So unlike sign because negative 6 and positive 3. So we will subtract 6 and 3. So 6 minus 3, the answer is 3. So what is the sign of the integer with higher absolute value? Okay, so 3 and 6, which one is higher? So ang higher is 6. Ano ang sign ng 6? Negative. Kaya ang answer natin ay negative 3. Okay, that's it. And yan muna for the meantime. And wait for future video. So goodbye. And again, this is Sir Red saying thank you and goodbye.